Ever wanted to fold towels like the pros and get that luxury hotel look? Well, I will share with you 2 ways that would do just that. The first technique I will share is great to store inside baskets and shelving. It's the roll technique. And we just took it out the dryer and we're going to lay it flat. So what I do right along this edge here is I fold it in, and I do that on both sides. This edge right here, lay this over, not all the way to the edge here, just to where it meets that fold in edge right there. Take this corner here and you're going to fold it over to the other corner, but just so it meets the edge of the fold on the opposite side. You're going to take the edge of the towel towards you and you're going to fold it over to the opposite side, all the way over. Folded side is facing down, the smooth side now is facing you. And then you're going to start rolling. Okay, so now we're going to take this triangle corner piece right here, and we're going to tuck it right in this crease, nice and neat. And there you have your beautifully rolled towel. So here's what it looked like inside a nice little basket. So now let's move on to the folds. So you take your towel out of the laundry, tag edge, and bring it all the way up to the bottom of the design. If you have a design on your towels, that makes it even better because they give you a mark to where you want to fold. If you don't have a design, you'll fold it all the way 5 inches left at the top. And then you take the top part if you have a design, and then you're going to fold to meet the top of the design. If you don't have a design, just fold it about 1 inch at the top. Then you take this side here. Now, since I don't have a lot of room on my shelf, I normally fold it in the bottom, and I fold it up about 4 inches, and then I fold it again. So I have a thinner horizontal fold. So I always fold up like this, and then I fold again. And that's how my fold looks. So how I go about folding my hand towels, especially if they have a nice little graphic part like this on the front and I want that to show, I will show you. But if you have a ribbon or some sort of decor that goes straight across, just give that a little tug on both sides that where there's a ribbon, and that will kind of loosen up the thread so you can get a nice straight fold. I keep my tags on because I like to know where I purchased it from and who it's by, so I can be able to purchase some more. So if you're going to hang your hand towel, I fold each ends in with a space in the center, and you get ready to hang it. You fold this over and you hang it on your bar. This way the tag is in the back and you have the graph that's nice and straight, and it looks very nice, just like that. Since I'm not going to hang this and it's going in my linen closet, I fold both edges, but I have them meet. And since I don't like edges, I always fold the bottom edge. I fold that, and then I go ahead and I make a triple fold. And when I come toward this end, I fold that under. And that way, both of those edges are folded nice and neat. Then I fold again. And here's where my triple fold is. Now, like this, I will put it on a nice silver platter, and it will go on a platter like that and put on the sink or wherever I want to have this displayed. Well, that would do it for me today, my friends. I hope I've given you some ideas and some tips how you can fold your bath towels. I gave you 2 luxurious hotel looks, a rolled up way and the folded way. Both are great and save space. Both can be used in a linen closet or in your guest bedroom. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you haven't seen my linen closet tour, I will link that in the iCard above. There you can see that the monogram towels there are in the guest prep bin. So that's how that stays until I'm expecting guests. And this is how it looks on a normal day. Hope you guys enjoyed it today and like the Breeze quick tips so far. I'll see you on the next one. Smooches!